Hello, I'm Avery. This is Online Income Network. In today's video, it's gonna be a little different today. But clearly you can see that because we're outside for one, and try and enjoy the breeze and not be super hot. But what I got for you today is that I am with my friend Solomon Hayes. He also does YouTube videos. He also does videography, and he has some questions on how he can grow his YouTube channel. Hopefully some of these questions that he got, I'll be able to generalize it so you'll be able to use it for your channel as well. So, Mr. Hayes, what is your YouTube channel to let people know anyway?
Solomon Hayes, Lens Photography.
Look at them. Look at me, man. You the
Solomon
videographer, you know that.
Solomon Hayes, Lens Photography. I'm a small photographer and videographer. Been doing it for about 5 years. Own and operated for 5 years. And I'm just getting into the YouTube game, and I'm just clearly interested because this guy knows a whole lot about how to grow it more or whatnot, because it is looking ugly the number wise.
All right, so with that being said, what questions do you have that you want to know?
I guess the first question is how do you get comfortable telling people to check out your channel? Because I don't want to be like a spam junkie or just worrisome kind of person, I guess.
Well, in order for you to get comfortable, it's just like performing, just like getting leads, for example. You have hot leads, you have cold leads. People will tell you. Your hot leads are people like your family and friends. Cold leads are just complete strangers. Now, the easiest way to do it would be to go to your hot leads first. That way you're already comfortable with the person, so you can let them know, hey, I'm starting this project, this YouTube channel in this situation. But you can do that for anything, really. So you let people know, especially the most people that you know would be supportive of you, like I guess would be close family members, like your mom, dad, brothers, sisters, or whoever in your group that you would find to be the most supportive of things that you do first, and then go down the line, because then you'll have a much higher chance of actually getting somebody to subscribe and actually support, engage, watch the videos that you're making.
Mm-hmm. Okay. All right, that's a good answer. Now, here's another problem that I always come up with. I can't always figure out, I'm trying to stay on schedule right, about how, just ideas in regards to ideas in regards to the channel.
So you need more ideas for your channel?
Yeah, because, I think more ideas sometimes, yeah.
Okay, so in that situation, what you could do is look at people that's doing what you're doing already.
Yeah.
I mean, technically you could call them competitors, because you're looking for the same people. You're trying to get their attention. So the easiest thing to do when you ain't got an idea is go on one of your competitors' channel and see what kind of videos they've already done, and see if that's something that would interest you in doing. So let's just say you have the one you're doing on painting. You could go to other people that does painting by just simply searching up paintings with time lapses, and then seeing what other people have drawn and seeing how they've done it.
Yeah.
And also, with that being said, you could also use the same tags that they use. You can use the same title to some degree and description. Mm-hmm. So you can have yours mirror theirs, but actually at the same time be unique enough to not make it obvious, I guess, that you're that you just bait and switch, steal the whole thing.
Just steal the whole video, say the same words and everything.
You be like, he got 1 million views, but how you know I ain't come up with it first? You worry about the date. Don't worry about the date, all right? He switched it first.
Switching bait. Yeah.
So
and that brings me to the next question I have, because as you said, I'm a videographer. I do photography and video films, but also I like painting too. And I have all of these different ideas, because sometimes I act a little bipolar, I guess, and I just have multiple ideas in myself. Does that mean that I have to stick to the script and only do this type of thing, or or is it cool if I like do multiple things on a channel, on one channel? I mean, just say if it's like artistic, we just leave it at artistic channel or something. I don't know.
Should you do a lot of different situations, or should you just do one and stick with that?
Yeah.
You should just stick with one and stick to that. But when you're first starting out, you are better off experimenting with a bunch of different ones and then basically just seeing what sticks, which one gets you the most views.
Yeah.
And then as you figure out which one gets you the most views, then you should go ahead and niche that one. Go ahead and let that one be the one that lets you really go ahead and explode your channel.
Yeah. I mean, that's actually a good idea. I didn't think about. It never even crossed my mind, to be honest with you. That's good. That's a good idea.
Yeah.
Let the audience choose, because essentially the name of the game is adding value, and it seems as if you're adding more valuable information in this subject, or they're liking it more, then it makes sense to just stick with that then, because if the other audience ain't listening, then you're doing something wrong, or it's not good enough, or whatever, you know.
Yeah.
So
that's another question you got.
I guess for me, one reason I had created the channel was because I wanted to funnel the videos to try to create clientele also. But for me, I had a problem thinking of what videos would my clients / audience would want to look at it. Like what do they need to know? If you're getting videos or you're getting photos, in my head I'm like, what kind of information does the client need to know? I don't want to make information just for photography, I guess.
Gotcha. I just want to go ahead and say you almost spit on my arm.
I'm sorry.
Just throw that out there.
No spit.
So, with that being said, since you missed, might got on my glasses though.
I got some antibacterial. Just in case we social distance.
Okay, so that threw me off with the spit. But
sorry.
what was you saying again?
What kind of information do they need?
Gotcha.
Break it down simply.
That would still go back to, first off, the audience that's gravitating towards you. One.
Yeah, sure, yeah.
So, yeah, like you do videography, but if people want to see you paint, then this is going to be a YouTube channel first, is painting.
Yeah.
But a way you could do that is say, hey, you know what? Everybody that's watching, say it somewhere like at the end or at the beginning, hey, I'm doing a giveaway.
Yeah.
This painting, I'm doing it for this channel. I'm gonna ship it to you for free for whoever whoever ends up commenting, and the best commenter, or whoever I like best with the comments, they get it for free. Or
never ever doing that. Art is worth everything. My heart and soul.
Right.
Go ahead.
So with that being said, the other way you can do it is, if you're doing the videography, filmography, and all that, you could go ahead and start a course. So once you start a course, at the beginning or the end or whatever, however you want to put it in your video, say, hey, at the end, listen, I got a course that you can take that's XYZ amount, tells you everything you need to know about the basics of videography or film or photos, whichever one you're doing. So, check that out when you're done and go from there.
Yeah.
Or if you're in the area, hey, check out my website. If you got stock photos or something like that, you just want to let people see. And you can sell stock photos too on your own website.
Yeah.
There's a lot of different things you could do, but those are some quick examples.
Yeah, that's good. That's good.
So when you're trying to filter, basically you're saying that you want to filter in to get sales, but at the same time you don't even know what type of sales you're trying to get. But those are some quick ideas.
Yeah, so that's good ideas. It's funny to say, because some of the things you're saying, a smidgen of that I kind of tell the clients sometimes when they're making promotional videos, and I guess you telling me what I tell them: know your audience. Whatever sales that you're trying to create, and I always tell them have a call to action at the end of a video. But I'm not doing it myself.
Yeah, another quick way you can make some quick sales is say, hey, I'm using XYZ camera and XYZ lens. You can find it here in the description.
Wow.
So, and then you know, that's affiliate marketing.
Yeah.
So,
yeah, that's how I think I'm gonna start doing it, because I did see that in a couple of photography videos, and I said I'm gonna steal that idea. I'm just steal it, steal the ticket.
So everybody be doing.
Yeah.
Like all the big name YouTubers, like myself, by the way, you know.
Yeah.
But I ain't big time, not yet. I will be though.
Better to be better than my Ford.
I'm one of the four, just by the way.
Oh yeah.
Yes. So you got three.
My mama.
Gotta figure out who the other three are.
Oh, no, they might be me. Let me tell other names. Other Google names.
What we're going to end up doing is, at a later date, I'm going to probably try to Zoom with Solomon here. And we're going to take a look at one of his videos that he actually got. And I'm going to see if I could actually just consult, I guess is the best word for it. But basically give him some advice on what he could do then and there while I'm looking at his video. So as far as like tags or description, anything like that. And that's what we'll do. So until then, I appreciate you helping me out with this video, and hopefully the information was useful to you. And if it was, why don't you like, subscribe, share with friends, click the bell notification so you get notified when new videos come out from me, because I make new videos every week, like I tell y'all all the time. So everybody, thanks for watching. Check out his channel, help him get more than 4 subscribers. And I mean, he has good work. So check him out. All right.
Oh, that's your line, ain't it?
Nah, you're good.
Oh.